This is Motorola Edge 40 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So first order of business is to launch settings, then enter the apps category. From here, just open the page that contains the list of all apps, or see all apps. In here, find the app that you would like to clear the data for. At the app page, tap at the storage and cache, and at the following section of settings, you have like two options. The one allows you to exclusively clear cache, and the other one will clear all user and app data that, well, this particular app stores. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.